Hello everyone, and welcome to an English lesson, Common Mistakes. I speak English well. She sings well. He drives very well. Listen to me. Listen to this song. I'm listening to you. I wait for you at the station. She is waiting for the bus. I'll wait for you here. I go home. She went home early. I'm going home now. I go to work. I go to school. My hair is long. Her hair is short. Your hair looks great. I am 20. She is 30. He is 25 years old. Explain this to me. She explained it to him. Can you explain it to us? I'm bored. This movie is boring. I'm tired and bored. Who lives here? Who works here? Who knows the answer? I will check it. Check the date. Let me check. People who live here. Students who study hard. Friends who like you. Tell me the truth. Tell her your name. Tell him the story. Say it to them. Say hello to me. She says everything to me. You're welcome. No problem. Anytime. Money is important. Where is my money? I don't have much money. Thank you for watching. Great job today. Let's keep it up in the next video.